Basically, the angels have two reasons for being, as what the French would say, raison d'être. Yun lang alam kong French, okay? One is to minister perpetually to God in heaven, to offer perpetual adoration to God. Just like what we heard in the first reading from the prophet Daniel, thousands upon thousands were ministering to him, and myriads upon myriads attended him. That is the first reason for their being. They have to offer perpetual adoration to God. The second reason for being of angels is that they are here to accompany us in our journey. They are sent on earth to accompany us in our journey, to assist us, especially in our spiritual battles. That is why Saint Michael is given to us to protect us from evil, to fight for us, to fight with us. Kaya kapag dinidemonyo kayo, no, halimbawa sa opisina, may aaligid na demonyo, no, tipong tinutokso kayo, sabihin nyo, San Miguel, ilayo mo ko sa demonyong to. Isinusugo ang mga anghel upang tulungan tayo. Kung meron kayong nararamdamang hindi maganda, may sakit, tawagan nyo si San Rafael. Sapagkat si San Rafael ay isinugo ng Diyos upang pagalingin si Tobit. At kung gusto ninyo ng mabuting balita, tawagan nyo si San Gabriel. Saint Gabriel, I have been down for so many days now. Give me some good news. So angels, archangels like Michael, Raphael, and Gabriel are here to accompany us. We may not see them. Don't tell me you see them. No? Baka gutom lang yan. No? We will not see them, but they will be here. They are here to accompany us in our journey. So those are the two main basic reasons why they are created by God. To offer perpetual adoration to God and to accompany us in this journey. But my dear brothers and sisters, if you come to think of it, isn't that also our reason for being? To offer adoration to God? To offer praise to God? To minister to God? Hindi ba't yun ang ating unang misyon? Ang magbigay puri sa Diyos? Na gawin natin ang ating buhay na isang buhay ng pagpupuri sa Panginoon? Kaya tayo nilikha ay para purihin ang Diyos. Pero pangalawa, katulad ng mga anghel, yan din ang ating misyon, ang tulungan ng ating kapwa, ang alalayan ang ating kapwa, ang maging kanlungan ng ating kapwa, a shoulder to cry on, a companion in the journey. Hindi ba? Kaya nga sabi natin, kubisan ako, magdilang anghel ka sana. Yung bang may nabanggit kayo na maganda, no? Sabi nyo, pakiramdam ko, meron kang magandang mangyayari sa iyo ngayon. And then ang sagot niya, nako, magdilang anghel ka sana. Meaning, may what you said be true. Bringing good news to people. Bringing hope to people. Like the angel Gabriel visiting Mary to bring her the good news. Just like the angels whose reason for being is to give praise to the Lord and to accompany us, so also why we are here is to offer perpetual adoration to God as well as to accompany each other. Sana maging anghel tayo sa isa't isa. Sana maging anghel tayo sa isa't isa. Amen.